Hi everyone. Today the topic is generalized correlations for the fugacity coefficient. So first we consider the equation ln phi I is equal to integral 0 to p zi minus 1 dp by p. So substituting the equation p equal to pc pr and then differentiating that equation dp equal to pc into dpr. So here ln phi I is equal to integral 0 to pr zi minus 1 into dpr by pr. Substituting for zi gives the equation as ln phi I is equal to integral 0 to pr z dot minus 1 into dpr by pr plus omega integral 0 to pr z prime dpr by pr. This equation is written in an alternative form as ln phi is equal to ln phi naught plus omega ln phi dash. So ln phi naught is the integral 0 to pr into z naught minus 1 dpr by pr. Ln phi dash is equal to integral 0 to p z prime dpr by pr. The above equation can be written as phi is equal to phi naught into phi prime power omega. So this is the generalized correlation. So generalized correlation for ln phi results when simplest form of virial equation is valid. So we can use this above equation. Then consider the equation z minus 1 is equal to pr by tr into b naught plus omega b prime. So substituting in the above equation and integrating that equation, we get ln phi is equal to pr by tr into b naught plus omega b prime. Then phi is equal to exponential of pr by tr into b naught plus omega b prime. So this equation provides reliable value of phi for any non-polar or slightly polar gas when applied at conditions where Z is linear in pressure. So the virial equation is written for the gas mixture same as for the few species. So for that we take the equation Z is equal to 1 plus Bp by RT. So here B, the mixture second virial coefficient, is a function of temperature and composition. So the equation giving the composition dependence is B equal to sigma I, sigma j, yi, yj into bij. So here y represents mole fractions in a gas mixture. So the indices I and j identify the spaces and both run all over the spaces present in the mixture. The virial coefficient Bij characterizes bimolecular interaction between molecule I and molecule J, and then Bij is equal to Bji. So the summations account for all possible bimolecular interactions. So for the binary mixture, I is equal to 1, 2 and J is equal to 1, 2. Then the expansion gives B equal to Y1, Y1, B11 plus Y1, Y2, B12 plus Y2, Y1, B21 plus Y2, Y2, B22. So then B is equal to y1 square b11 plus 2y1 y2 b12 plus y2 square b22. So here b11 and b22 are virial coefficients of few spaces and b12 is known as cross coefficient. Again consider the equation Z is equal to 1 plus dp by RT. This equation for n moles of gas mixture can be written as Nz is equal to N plus N Bp by RT. Differentiating this equation with respect to N1 gives Z1 bar is equal to dou of Nz by dou N1 at constant pressure, temperature, N2, which is equal to 1 plus P by RT, dou of Nb by dou N1 at constant temperature, comma, N2. So ln phi I cap is equal to 1 by RT integral 0 to P dou of Nb by dou N1 at constant temperature N2 into dP, which is equal to P by RT dou of Nb by dou N1 at constant temperature N2. The second virial coefficient is given by B is equal to y1 into 1 minus y2 b11 plus 2y1 y2 b12 plus y2 into 1 minus y1 b22. This equation can be written as y1 b11 minus y1 y2 b11 plus 2y1 y2 b12 plus y2 b22 minus y1 y2 b22, which is equal to y1 b11 plus y2 b22 plus y1 y2 delta 12. So here delta 12 is 2b12 minus b11 minus b2. So here yi is equal to ni by n. Substituting that, we get nb is equal to n1 b11 plus n2 b22 plus n1 n2 by n into delta 12. Again making the differentiation, dou of Nb by dou N1 at constant temperature N2 is equal to B11 plus 1 by N minus N1 by N square into N2 delta 1. Again this can be written as B11 plus 1 minus Y1 into Y2 delta 12, which is equal to B11 plus Y2 square delta 12. So ln phi 1 cap is equal to P by RT into B11 plus Y2 square delta 12. ln phi 2 cap is equal to P by RT B22 plus Y1 square delta 12. So for multi-component mixtures, this equation can be written as ln phi k cap is equal to P by RT BKK plus half sigma I sigma j yi yj into 2 delta ik minus delta ij. So here dummy indices I and j run over all the species. So here delta ik is 2bik minus bii minus bkk. Delta ij is 2bij minus bii minus bjj. So bij can be written as RTCij by PCij into B0 plus omega b prime. Similarly, omega ij is omega I plus omega j by 2. Tcij is Tci Tcj power half into 1 minus Kij. Similarly, Tcij is Zcij by Rtcij by Vcij. Zcij is equal to Zci plus Zcj by 2. Vcij is equal to Vci power 1 by 3 plus Vcj power 1 by 3 by 2 whole power 3. So here Kij is an empirical interaction parameter specific to an Ij molecular pair. So by using these equations, we can calculate the values of Bij, and then we can calculate the second virial coefficient B, and from that we can calculate ln phi A cap. So these are the generalized correlations for the second virial coefficient in the simple form. So this is the today's topic. If you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please click the bell button to get you the notifications. Please like, share and comment my videos. Thank you very much.